This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
We have an AC problem sitting here in muggy Florida. It's the Freon's gone low. I think it's been years since it's been charged up, and it's been slowly going down, which means it's probably a slow leak. And no AC. Mechanic can get out for like 2.5 weeks. So our options are we go get an Airbnb for the duration, or sleep and do everything in the heat, which is pretty darn hot. Or we get a little standalone indoor AC unit, those types that go right on the floor inside. And now what I need to do is go right down in here into the dungeon. See, I pulled everything out, and I'm gonna go down and check, and then Sharon over here changed into her Sunday best because she may have to go up and connect the hoses, because I have a hard time
They're not thin enough.
At 6 foot, kind of broad shoulders. I have a hard time getting all the way up, and I'm going to show you where that compressor is up there. Okay. Here we are down in this hole, and I guarantee you it's hot. Yeah, there we go. So this compressor right here, which is now running, is the freezer. That smaller one up there, white one, and in there. Let's see if we can get it. That's a refrigerator. Those were just replaced not that long ago. And they're right back in there. Let's see if we can get it. That's a gray one. That's our boat. This is the one for the boat. I should probably replace that at some point. So what I'm going to do is try to get down. I can see there's a cap on the low one, which is at the upper end of there. And I don't know where the high one is. That's the problem, I can't see the high one. But the nice thing is the low one is where you fill it. So if I can't find the high one, I'm gonna get up in there and see. Alright, so now here's Sharon crawling down in there.
Yeah.
Because she fits better.
And it'd probably take me twice as long.
She's going to try to crawl up over the other one.
So we don't know much about the air conditioning and refrigeration system on this boat. We still have quite a lot to learn. Eventually, though, we ended up buying a portable air conditioner to get us through the heat.
I'll do this. So we were going sailing today on the Mango. Well, on Arlo's Mango. This isn't quite ready. Everything will go flying if we go sailing. And there was no wind, basically, so we're taking a dinghy ride. Sunday afternoon. Late morning. Heading out Port Canaveral. Alright, here we are in the Cape Canaveral lock. This is called the barge lock. The barge canal lock. So we're gonna watch. Right there is the door. Alright, there's the swing gate door. We only raise about a foot or two here, depending on the tides and everything else. This is the hose that comes in from the through hole through
Low battery
cockpit for the AC and the air conditioner cooling water. And I noticed that it was squishing right down. As you can see, that was squishing down, which means I wasn't getting a good draw out of it. They were working, but it was spitting out water, but not enough. The hose got flattened, which means that you're getting suction on it from the pump from the input. So I went underneath and cleaned out with a screwdriver, came up, took the hose off in the cockpit or the petcock, and it was still coming in dribbling. So I took the screwdriver and went down this way, and all of a sudden I got the flow I needed. So I'm replacing this old dumpy hose with new hose, and I'm adding a screen strainer in there, which it should have had on, in order to keep the anything that any
seaweed,
seaweed or anything else that comes up there, you just empty it out right there and up and going. So that should help us get our air conditioner working better. Hose clamps, you always put 2 on in a sailboat. I'm putting these on now because it's kind of tight when I go down there.
So I guess that didn't quite work. It needs a longer hose so they don't bend.
Right there. That hose right in here is what we put in. And the water immediately came in. In fact, I can see it gurgling around, and I do see it dripping there. So right in here, you can see the water pouring out fairly quickly now. Didn't have that before. It was just dribbling out. Now it's going out. I just have the boat loaded so much that the water line's right at where my outlets are. Yeah, it's working like a charm now.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You want to call her? Come. Come on. Oh, come here, puppy. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Right here. Come. Yep. Come on. Come on. Call her. Come on.
Hey, puppy.
Come here.
Hey, puppy. Come here. Come here.
Come on.
Come. Hey, Phoebe, come.
Come,
Phoebe. Come here.
Come
Right here. You are just
Come on.
You
Look
are,
at that. Oh, it's not so bad.
you are just a little chicky dog, aren't you?
Yeah, scaredy dog. You're a scaredy dog. Oh, that's funny.
That's what's going to protect us.
You're not much of a protection, are you? What do you smell? What do you smell, huh, puppy? Yeah. This is funny. Oh dear, she's scared. Yeah, it's not so bad, is it? No, it's not so bad. We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.